Hey everybody, how's it going? I need a break from work, so I'm going to charge up some batteries, go find a place to go fly my drones, and I'm going to take you with me. So buckle up. Oh my gosh, okay, so I checked out a bunch of places and there's just so many people around, so I came to a park that has soccer fields and much easier to fly at, and they don't mind flying here, so unlike a lot of places. All right, well, let me go get my stuff. Okay, let me get my stuff out of here. At least grab one of these here. Hopefully I won't need the second one. And here we go. Alright, so here we're in a park here, and just gonna get all my stuff ready and get flying. Oh my gosh, well, this is kind of a bust here too. There's just tons of people here, and I kind of prefer to be able to fly anywhere I want. The soccer field, unfortunately, is being used for soccer. Well, here we go. Let me just check out a different spot of the park here, and rather than set up in the sun, I'd really like to find some shade and find a spot that's a little more secluded without a bunch of people. This is kind of a popular newer park here in Irvine, so we'll see. It looks like it's a little less busy here near the baseball field, so we'll see what happens here. Okay, I think I found an out-of-the-way spot. It's in between some baseball fields. You can see behind me, and I found this little slot of green belt to fly in. Just right behind me here. You can see that. And I'm going to give this a try, so hopefully it'll work out. Found some shade. Should have brought my chair. But, yeah, it should be all right. Got to make do. I don't like making do though.
Welcome to OpenTX.
just got done flying, and was it a success? Well, I don't know. It just depends on how you want to judge that. I just tried to do some cinematic flying because I was not comfortable in the area that I decided to fly in. Due to the close proximity to the foul ball fencing around baseball diamonds, I was just kind of in a walkway area, and there was like occasionally people walking through. So I just wanted to fly, and so I didn't really push myself in trying to do any tricks or whatnot. So just try to do the cinematic thing and try to do some smooth flying, and well, we'll see how the shots turn out. All right, well, thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.